Good afternoon, parents and students of St. Paul Youth Ministry. My name is Xavier Horton, and I'm your student ministries co-leader. And I am working again to give you all some tips and on how to go about joining the various teams meeting sessions to participate in the Awana, the Sunday school, as well as Esther Circle and Boy Scouts youth ministry meetings. So I just previously gave you all an example of how to join via your web browser. This time I'm going to show you all how to join using the Teams desktop app. In order for this to work, you will have had to have the Teams desktop app installed on either your Windows or Apple PC. And then from there, you should be able to use that to attend these meetings. So I'll show you all what that looks like here. So first, you're going to want to make sure you come to your browser and enter in the St. Paul homepage by going to spbaptist.org. And once you've entered that, it'll take you here to the homepage, and you'll scroll down. You'll go to check in with student ministries, and that'll take you to the landing page with all of the teams links that are needed to access Awana, Sunday School, Esther Circle, and Boy Scouts. Of course, I know we've said it over several videos now, but we want to definitely make sure you're registered. This is a one-time only process. So you click that link, fill out the registration form. Once you've done that, you come back here. If you haven't already done that, you can go ahead and proceed to step 2, which is the check-in. You go into that Teams meeting, and once one of the registration leaders has confirmed that you're checked in, if you're in pre-K through 6th grade, or in the case of Sunday school, kindergarten through 6th grade, once they've checked you in, you can then leave that Teams meeting, and then you'll scroll down to either of the links here, depending on which class you're in for Awana or for Sunday school. All the links are located here on the page, and you'll click to join one of those meetings. But for our example today, I'm just going to use the Awana check-in Teams meeting as the example, and I'll show you guys how to join via the desktop browser app. So once you click on that, you'll get the pop-up asking you to open Teams. So this time, since we're going to use the desktop app, I'm going to click Open Teams. There's also an option that says, hey, anytime I open a Teams meeting, do I want to use the desktop app? In my case, I join meetings several different ways, so I leave this box unchecked. So I'll do that for this example as well. So first, I'm going to click Open Microsoft Teams. And at this point, the desktop app will begin to launch. And it sometimes takes roughly maybe 10, 15 seconds, so we just have to be a little patient. All right, so once it's open, it'll prompt you to choose your audio and video settings as well as enter your name. So we're going to use my name as the example again, and we'll use my grade as the 12th grade. One of the other options you have here is being able to turn your camera on and off, being able to mute your mic. If you have multiple mics or speakers on your PC, you can click that option and you can select which audio device you prefer to use. Once you've entered in your name and your grade, click Join Now. And you'll be put into the lobby. And then at that point, as I said before in the web browser video, if you're in the check-in Teams meeting, one of the registration staff will admit you into the meeting. Or if you're going to your actual Awana or Sunday school or your Esther Circle or Boy Scouts session, your leaders in those areas will admit you in. So once a leader is starting to let you in, you'll see connecting on the screen, and then you'll finally be admitted to the meeting. And that's all.